place the sample bag under the stream, open it, fill it, pull it out. Water quality is important to everyone. What we're doing here in Central Texas with the Leon and Lampasas watershed bacterial source tracking program is measuring E. coli bacteria from a number of different locations in each watershed. E. coli is an indicator organism for fecal contamination, and in itself can cause problems, but it's also an indicator that there are potentially other organisms present that can cause disease and problems. With the bacterial source tracking program, what we do is visit these sites and collect a water sample, which is taken back to the laboratory and enumerated for E. coli bacteria. We also measure the stream flow so we know how much bacteria is flowing down the stream. Additionally, we collect other parameters such as dissolved oxygen, pH, and temperature, which can all affect bacterial populations. The bacteria that are collected in the water are sent to the El Paso laboratory. Texas AgriLife Research operates a number of laboratories, including the Blackland research here, but we're partnering with our laboratory in El Paso. The El Paso lab takes the E. coli bacteria and isolates the DNA and creates a DNA fingerprint. Those are compared to known sources. When we're not collecting samples in the stream, we visit the watershed and collect sources of fecal material from known sources such as wastewater treatment plants, septic tanks, or human sources. We like to get wildlife sources, so we visit bridges where we can collect samples from birds, any kind of wildlife such as deer. Feral hogs have been a real problem in Texas, so we've been working with local county extension agents to find hog sources. We also collect a number of agriculturally related sources such as ranch cattle or beef cattle operations or dairy cattle from confined animal feeding operations. All of this information can be used to help determine the sources so that we can develop watershed protection plans to deal with these issues.